The low interest rates offered by banks these days does beat nothing, but not by much.
A bank or credit union is a safe place to keep your savings, but you pay for that safety by earning less interest. If you're willing to stick your neck out just a little, though, you might be able to earn a lot more. One place to look? Wall Street.
Stocks are known for their risk, and it's true you can lose a bundle in the stock market if you're not careful. But stocks can do more than go up and down. They can also pay interest, only it's not called interest, it's called dividends. And some stocks beat banks by a mile. For example, at its recent price of around $42 a share, AT&T's dividend was just under 5%. Pay the recent price of $64 for Microsoft, and you'll be earning about 2.5%. And at its recent price of $128 a share, McDonald's was paying around 3%.
Now, that's a lot more than you can earn at a bank or at a credit union, and dividends also can go up over time. However, they can also go down, and so can stocks, which is why you never put all your eggs in that kind of a basket and why you research anything before you buy it. Still, for a portion of your savings, dividend stocks could be a way to go.
If the idea of buying shares of individual companies sounds too complicated and or risky, there's always mutual funds and exchange traded funds. That allows you to get a basket of high dividend stocks rather than just one or two.
Bottom line, while the bank or credit union may be the safest game in town, it's not the only game in town. Stocks are one option. In future reports, I'm going to be telling you more. In the meantime, though, learn a little. Go to MoneyTalksNews.com and just do a search for investing. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacy Johnson.